Hey guys, now I'm just going to go over the blueprint slash business model and how we're going to actually make money on YouTube. Now this is the blueprint I've personally used to make over $110,000 in the last year with a single channel. I have other channels too that are making money, but this is the one I've been doing the longest and that's the biggest. So you guys don't think I'm lying, I just actually logged into the analytics so you can see that this really is my YouTube channel. And right around November of last year, I actually started implementing a lot of the tactics that I'm teaching in this course. And as you can see, there's just a huge spike in revenue. And here, as you guys can see, this is my actual YouTube analytics. This is the channel that I own. As you can see, I'm going over. Lately, I've been making around $200 to $300 per day just with this single channel. Now, I just want to show you guys that here is another channel that I just made a few months ago. And here we go, I just logged into the analytics of this channel as well, and you guys can see the numbers, you can do the math. It's possible to make a lot of money with YouTube, and it's completely changed my life. So looking at the actual blueprint here, what we're going to want to do first off is get reviewed by YouTube and accepted into their monetization program. To do this, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And this goes for your entire channel. Using the model I'm going to show you, it should only take about 2 weeks, maybe a month, depending on how often you're posting videos and optimizing your videos for getting views, as I'll teach in this course. It'll be different for everyone, but if you do it well, you can definitely get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in 2 weeks. I got to these requirements with that second channel that I showed you guys in just about 2 weeks, and in just under a month, I was accepted and then making money with that channel. So what we're going to actually be doing is downloading videos that are already made directly from YouTube and then reposting them. You might be asking how we do this. Now we're going to be using a special license known as Creative Commons. Creative Commons is essentially a license that waives copyright. So anyone who posts a video on YouTube and lists it as Creative Commons, you're then allowed to download and repost it. Then you know you can put your own title, your own thumbnail, your own tags, and optimize it so you can start getting views and then therefore making money. And that's really the beauty of it, guys, because it's so easy to do and it's completely legal due to that Creative Commons license. Which again waives the copyright, so you don't have to worry about them copyrighting your video or getting mad at you for reposting their video. That's actually why they upload these videos as Creative Commons, because they want you to reshare it. And then you can monetize these videos and then make money from them. So then after we find videos that are listed under Creative Commons, we're going to want to download these videos and then schedule them. So in the course, I'm going to show you how to schedule these videos that you downloaded. So you can download 5 to 10 videos per day and then schedule them throughout the day. And that's what's so great about this. You can download a bunch of videos and then optimize and schedule them so they come out at regular intervals. And it really only takes about 30 minutes a day to download 5 to 10 videos, and then what you do is schedule them to come out every hour throughout the day. And let's say you're going on a trip or something and you won't be able to upload videos for a couple days. You could download 20 videos and schedule them for 2 days. You could do this for a week and work 1 day at the beginning of the week and just not work for the rest of the week and still make a ton of money. And when you're posting 5 to 10 videos per day, you can imagine how quickly the views and watch time racks up, so it won't take long at all to get to that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time that YouTube requires. And once you get there, you just click review within your YouTube settings, and then someone from YouTube will look at your channel and just make sure that there's no violence or sexual content or anything like that. And as long as there's not, you'll be making money on YouTube very quickly. And once you're approved, you can then put advertisements on your video and then make money. And you can put ads literally anywhere in your video. So I like to put an ad every minute or 2 minutes, and that's something that not many people do. And it makes sense if you're trying to build a personal channel, you're trying to build up a brand. You don't want people to get annoyed by advertisements and stop watching. But for these types of videos where we're trying to make money, it's not that big of a deal. Because you're not building your own brand or anything, and a lot of the ads will just be those little box ads, so you won't be interrupted by some unskippable ad every minute. So again, the secret to making a lot of money with YouTube is to put multiple ads on your videos. And a lot of the ads will just be those little pop-up ads, so it's not the video will just be interrupted every minute or so. As you can see, it'll just be one of those tiny little advertisements like this that just pop up on the bottom. And people don't actually have to click the ads to get you money. If they just see the advertisement, you can make money off of them just viewing it. You do obviously make more money if they end up clicking it, but if they just see it, you still make money as well. So that's the blueprint on how to make money with YouTube without making videos. And the best part is that you don't have to spend any money for ads on Facebook. You don't have to pay for anything. This is totally free to get started, and it's just pure profit. And I guarantee you've watched videos from people who are doing the same thing, you probably haven't even noticed is happening. So throughout this course, I'll show some examples of people who are making a lot of money doing this, and how you can too.